Welcome to sewing class. This is Annette Julie, and we are working on a hand sewing sample, the back stitch seam part 2. And look, I've run out of thread and I have this much more to go, so I re-threaded. I cut the thread nice and close next to the knot. And I'm going to start right over here. I'm going to go right next to the knot that I made on this side. I'm going to come up and I have a very small knot over here and one on the other side. Now I'm going to continue on. So remember, I was eyeballing, so we're going to go up a 1/2 inch. And eyeballing means I am not drawing the last couple of lines. I just want to have practice. And then we're going to go back 1/4. Now we can see the stitch line that we want to sew on, but we can't see the 1/4 inch marks. So we're going to go up a full 1/2 inch. That's a 1/4 inch past that stitch line. And then now we're going to come back 1/4 right next to the other stitch, but not using the same hole. We're going to go up a full 1/2 inch. That's a 1/4 inch past the stitch line there. And then we're going to come back 1/4 inch, but go right next to, but not using the same stitch hole. Okay, we'll continue on. Up 1/2 inch. And back 1/4. Up 1/2 inch. And back 1/4. Up 1/2 inch and back 1/4. Let's remove that pin since we're approaching the end. Or, because I always say or and I don't show you guys, so look, you can put another pin over here if that helps you. I wanted to show you guys you can put pins in other places, just not where you want to sew. Up a 1/2, back 1/4, up that 1/2, back 1/4, down to our last couple stitches. Then up 1/2, back 1/4, now let's go back one more time. We're just finishing this up now here at the end. Let's go ahead and tie a knot with our last back stitch. We'll tie 1 and 2. Remove that pin. Trim that nice and close. There's one side, and then there's the other. There's our back stitch seam. You could go ahead and press this to one side. And we have a few more sides to finish. This is Annette Jolie, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.